Hi, we're Duke and Ellen Misnik, and our daughter Kelly is a sophomore at Villa.
There's a lot of reasons that we helped Kelly make a decision to go to Villa, but the main one was that upperclassmen had told us at our open house that the girls find their own voice at Villa because they don't have to worry about answering in class and what the boys are going to think of them. It really made an impression on me as her father, and I was glad to see that when she became a young lady and started her college career, that she would really be able to speak what was on her mind and not be intimidated. Kelly really got a real challenge from the academics at Villa. Although she was very prepared from her career at St. Andrew's Elementary School, when she got to Villa, she had to work on her time management. Fortunately, the staff and administration at Villa and even the upperclassmen were always there to help Kelly navigate through the waters of high school. She became quite a great student while she was there, and although I always think she could do better because I'm her dad, she really has blossomed into a great young lady.
Kelly is a member of the Villa rowing team. Academics and sports can be a little challenging to manage at Villa. However, because of this team, Kelly has learned to really manage her time, get her work done, and still participate in this sport. She's made best friends on the team, and we couldn't be happier for Kelly.
It really is like a sisterhood, and the upperclassmen help them to manage their time and to be a part of the community, and it's just really a great feeling to know that your daughter's part of this school. Everybody from Mrs. Card and Mr. Cardish, it just couldn't be a better environment. We're just really thrilled that we have this opportunity we can provide Kelly, and that's really made her a well-rounded young woman that's going to be very well prepared for college.